Alright, hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be removing the titanium agency power exhaust from my car. I like this exhaust. It has a very nice tone, but I just want something louder. So that's on its way. I'll make another video for that, but stay tuned. So we are going to start with unplugging the O2 sensors. So there's one here and one here, and there's two of them, so you got to do the same on the other side. Bring the hanger straps.
And there's two of them. Gotta do the other side too.
This off and just slide it on and off, so it kind of goes on like that. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the 4 nuts that hold the high flow cat to the turbo, and also the heat shield. There's a 10mm bolt that holds that to the turbo as well. I'm gonna go ahead and show it next. There's a 10mm here that holds the shield for the turbo, and you also have to remove that to kind of get this out of the way. There's this 10mm bolt. Oops. That comes off, and then these have to come off. The one back here, I don't know if you can see it, back there. So I like this. It's the ratcheting wrench. It's like the best, easiest way to get it out. So my favorite part about this exhaust is it's super light. So unlike the stock one, you wouldn't be able to do this. Just hold it by one hand and pull it off. But because it's so light, you could literally just pull it off.
And this thing,
yeah! And there you have it. It is out. It's a beautiful exhaust. I love this part right here. But yeah, exhaust is off. That's about it.